There's nothing better than hot summer days spent playing in a cold river that give way to warm nights under the stars, laughing around a campfire with friends. It's our favorite way to fill our cups, and we hope that you'll come along as we spend the weekend camping and splashing in the Sierra Nevada mountains.
Looks level from in here. We'll do the water test.
Huh? It's not moving. Looks pretty good.
I think that's about as good as we're gonna get. Hi, buddy. Just getting set up. Nice big spot. All ours. And then Nick, Sarah, Brooke, and Matt will be here a little later. Nick will be parked behind us with the four-wheel pop-up. And then Brooke and Matt, I think, have the perfect tent spot right there. It's nice and flat. Looking forward to a good weekend.
Dispersed camping, also known as wild camping, is one of our favorite ways to get outside. It allows us to be more spontaneous than having a reservation at the campground that are sometimes needed to be made up to 6 months in advance for the more popular sites. The sites you can find are also usually much larger and you can have more solitude. However, it kind of sucked when we pulled up to this campsite and saw it covered in probably over 100 little bottle caps, little tiny pieces of wrappers, and cigarette butts that were left from the campers before. We felt like it was our obligation to clean it up. We always try and leave it better than we found it so that we can enjoy it while we're there. And hopefully the campers after us can enjoy it just as well.
Come on, people, we can do better.
We'll leave it better than we found it.
Hey, buddy. You hot?
It wouldn't be a trip to the river without what else but bringing our float tubes. Luckily, the onboard compressor works as a great way to inflate the tubes without having to huff and puff and filling them up with your lungs.
Way easier than blowing.
You want to splash, Dad?
Even under. Look, you can even find this nice little... Come on. Come on.
Oh, you guys are cute. Are we getting eaten by the mosquitoes? Look at Brian's big welt.
Is my eye gonna close?
I don't know, poor guy. Yeah, right.
Oh, and they're going through my shirt. Oh. Camping's fun.
We love camping. Oh, yeah, Freya, the Slayer! Oh my goodness, so much fun!
Park wherever you want. Filter goes on like this. Then you got 3 settings. Time blind. Kitchen.
For the first night, we made steak tacos in the skottle, accompanied by Brian's amazing homemade tortillas on the Blackstone.
Tortillas. Don't look at this one.
That was his first try.
Oh, that guy's there. Hi.
Hi, it's 2:52 in the morning. What's happening?
There's a bear partying with the neighbors.
Hey, Yogi.
I'm gonna put our ice chest in the back.
The next morning, we checked out the damage, and this is just a reminder of how powerful bears can be. Always be bear aware.
Breakfast burrito, homemade tortilla.
Oh, I love Brian's tortillas. Some beans, some eggies. We got a little bit of chorizo. Hash brown. Some cheese. Some green chilies.
Roll that sucker up. That's pretty good.
Come on, Liz. Let's go to the water.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Ain't been the same since 67, no. When Paul died, yeah. We all died, they all lie. We ain't even know the neighbor, no we don't. Never outside.
The most anticlimactic.
Worship in the family. Worship. But they all lie.
Oh, you're about to go down.
Would you believe me if I told you that the sky was falling? Would you believe me if I told you that the world was about to end?
Who gon' watch the sunrise with me? Who gon' catch the next wave? Who gon' come and unwind with me?
As the shadows started to get long in the day, that was our signal that it was time to return to camp, dry off, and get ready for some dinner.
I think we could go farther.
Lazy river.
Our stir fry for the evening was flank steak, carrots, broccoli, snap peas, Mongolian sauce, yakisoba noodles, all topped with peanuts and green onions.
This is all the ice we have left. I mean, that's not...
2 days of 90 degrees.
It's been hot. That's just enough for one batch, right?
I say 2.
2 batches of pina coladas.
Anyone else?
I love you anyways.
Hey girl.
Hey boy.
I love you.
I love you. We hope you liked following along for this episode of our last camping trip, and we also hope that you'll like and subscribe to show us your support, and see you out there for another adventure
Out there.